Today I'm going to show you something super cute. It is a message in an egg, you guys. You heard me right. It is how to do a message in an egg. I saw this on Pinterest years ago. I thought it was the cutest way to like ask someone like on a date. Well, not that. I think that would be weird. But like ask someone to prom, or like a pregnancy announcement, or like, will you be a bridesmaid? Anyways, guys, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I haven't had the occasion to tell someone something important. And so I'm like, do it for a video then. So you're basically gonna need an egg, and then just paint to paint the egg, and paper, and a box. That's easy peasy, guys. Okay, so I have already gone ahead and like emptied out 2 eggs. It sometimes does not come out right. So as you can see, I could show you that I did 2 eggs already. I did them a while ago so they could dry. And this one, you can't even see the hole, can you? No, I have 2 little holes that you can't even see. And I did another egg where there's no hole, right? Barely. And then there's like this giant hole. You could do it with a tack and just kind of hit in the same spot. You could do it with a knife. That's how I did it. And then I cracked it a little bit with the knife, and then with this, with the tack. But I'm gonna try to do it with the exact way. So you basically just hold it on one side, and you're just gonna go. Now I'm gonna put this down. I don't wanna kill myself. And I'm just gonna, I like to go in with a toothpick, and then just try to wiggle my way in there to make it bigger. You know, you wanna make the hole bigger because you're gonna actually have to put something in there. But I don't wanna actually hit it with the tack or with the knife anymore, because I'm gonna like make a huge hole. So now you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Here's where people will put straws, whatever. I'm just gonna go in with my mouth. All right, guys, this is the gross step. This is the step that you're like, no, I think I'm gonna do a message in a bottle. And yeah, using our mouths, you guys. We're gonna use our mouths. Now, do not swallow anything because you will die of salmonella poisoning. But, so a lot of people will put a straw and then blow on the straw so you don't actually touch the egg. That's a good idea, but I felt like it took me forever to get the stuff out. So I'm just gonna go in bare knuckles. All right, so raw napkins because it's a hot mess. All right, and so there you go. There's your eggs. So what you want to do next is you want to wash your egg. So just pour a little bit of water in there, really rinse it out. You don't want this smelling like egg. Ugh. Imagine they open the box and it's like, ugh, it's disgusting. So now that I have some that are nice and dry, let's move on. I feel like those kitchens, like, oh, let's put it in the oven. Oh, there's one already done. All right. So my egg is dry. I mean, it's drying. It's just purple. I'm gonna add some yellow to it once it's dried. And I'm actually gonna do probably another coat of purple before it's dried. So while that's drying, let's do our message. So make sure the paper that you use, you could obviously print something up, something with really pretty letters if you can't write. I'm not gonna waste my ink on you guys, so. Okay, so make sure it's something thin that you could really fold up. So let's write, I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna say, what do I wanna tell people? Rolling this up, like a little baby doobie, like a little thing. Here's my thing. While that really dries the second time, we're gonna get the box ready. So you could put it in any sort of box. I really like the little cardboard brown boxes. But like I said, I was at the Dollar Tree and they didn't have those. I know I've seen them on Amazon, but you have to buy like 10, which is great if you're asking people to your bridesmaids. But I got this really cute. It says every moment, enjoy every moment. And I'm gonna fill it up with this crap. All right, so I'm just gonna start cutting these and trimming them because that's what you do. So if they're sticking out too much and they don't wanna go inside, just trim them. That's what you do with a knife, you just trim. Except your bangs. Don't trim your own bangs. That was a bad mistake. Okay. So, we're gonna wait until that one dries, but what you do is you put your egg inside of, and look how cute that looks. You put your egg with the message inside. So, and then you attempt. You don't have to put these things. There's like the paper ones that are way. So as you can tell, there's some sticking out. I'm just gonna go and trim those. There you go. There you go. And then you present the person the gift. And then they'll open it and they'll be like, an egg? And they're like, yeah, open the egg. And then they'll crack the egg and find a message and then read and says, I'm pregnant. Hey, this is such a cute idea, guys. Seriously, like I know mine didn't really pan out because mine is still drying, but if you just do the process how it's supposed to be done and not have to film it in a video, it'll look pretty cute. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed making it and I think it's such a cute idea. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you actually liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell for notifications so when I make a video, because honestly, I upload whenever the hell I can, want, or have a chance. So please hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and see you guys whenever the hell you click on my video.